So if you own a 14 to 18 quad or crew cab Ram 1500 and you like driving around with your furry best friend but you don't want him jumping up to the front of the cab when he gets excited, you should be checking out something like Dirty Dog's 4x4 Pet Divider. This is a pretty cool little device, and while there's not a lot of options available like this, I would say this is definitely a top pick based on quality alone. Just shy of the $200 mark might sound a bit pricey, but honestly you're definitely getting what you pay for. It's actually made out of a really strong nylon woven fabric with these pressed metal fittings here, and we're actually getting a really nice solid painted aluminum bar up top. So it's safe to say if you own like a big boof of a dog, he's not going to be able to defeat this thing and tear it down. This is also a nice little storage option if you like to throw a lot of stuff in the back of the cab, so you go on camping or something like that. Got a lot of equipment back there you don't want to flying around, I would say this would be a good option as well. It's also very easy to install, actually you don't need any tools to do it. So if I had to give it an install rating, it'd be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on my difficulty meter. It actually shouldn't take us more than 5 or 10 minutes, so I'm going to actually show you guys how to get this thing installed. So installing this is very straightforward. All you gotta do is make sure that these little J-hooks right here are facing towards the front of the cab. You're gonna secure these to a little plastic piece of trim up near the door itself. Once you've done that, you're actually gonna secure these straps to the grab bars. I'll show you how it's done. All right, once you got those strapped down to your grab bars here, make sure they're even on both sides. You can move on to the bungee cords. It's pretty straightforward. All you gotta do is tie them around the seat brackets, the inside and the outside ones for both the passenger and driver seats. All right, so once you got those bungees strapped down, obviously that wraps up this very easy install. If you wanted to make it more tight, you could move those bungees up to one of those higher up metal little eye loops. But other than that, that wraps up my review of Dirty Dog's 4x4 Pet Divider in this nice gray finish, fitting your 14 to 18 quad and crew cab Ram 1500. I'm Travis, thanks for watching. For all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.